How to fix update shipping contact error for Apple Pay. To fix this problem, follow these steps. 1. Navigate to the Apple menu and access System Settings. 2. Select the Wallet and Apple Pay option from the left sidebar. 3. You may observe that the Payment Details section lacks a shipping address. Please ensure that the following information is either selected or provided: shipping address and email, phone number. Once you have confirmed that all of the necessary information is correctly filled in, close the system setting window, return to the website, and attempt to utilize Apple Pay once more. It's worth nothing that you can utilize Apple Pay on your Mac if you have Touch ID integrated with your Mac or Magic Keyboard. If Touch ID is not set up, you can authenticate using your password. Alternatively, you can complete the precaution using your phone or Apple Watch, provided they are linked to the same Apple ID.